life can feel overwhelmingly exhausting, leaving us drained and struggling to complete daily tasks. Unfortunately, there is no cheat code to make household chores, paying taxes, and cooking dinner disappear, but there are some tips and tricks that will make these things easier. However, there are simple tips and tricks that can ease the burden and save precious time. For instance, fill your sink with soapy water and let dishes soak instead of scrubbing tirelessly. When pouring your coffee, add creamer first to avoid dirtying a spoon. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Store your chips in the freezer to keep them fresh and prevent staleness. They'll be ready when you are. Setting a timer for 4 minutes can make daunting chores feel manageable, paving the way for accomplishment. Label everything in your junk drawer to keep things organized. Create order from chaos with a few simple markers. If you ever struggle with remembering things, speak them aloud to yourself. It strengthens your memory connections significantly. Library cards unlock incredible opportunities, from tool rentals to free courses, offering vast resources right at your fingertips. If you have an itchy mosquito bite, heat up a spoon under hot water, dry it off, and tap or press it on the bite. It helps solidify it a bit, and then it's easier to scoop it up and throw it away. Always write down momentarily good ideas. Do you have one to add? What trick or tip instantly improves your life or makes a day-to-day task easier? Tell us in the comments.